Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5121003 or KB5120708 on your Windows 11 computer. Now the first step is to go to Windows Update, and over here you can see pause update option. You can click on pick a date and you can pause the update. You can select any date and then pause the update and then click on resume updates and let the update install, and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will find Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK. Make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service. Make a double click, set this to automatic. Click on apply, click on start if highlighted. Now make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness. Somewhere at the top you will find app readiness. Make a double click, again set this to automatic. Apply, click on start if highlighted. Click on OK, make a right click, click on restart. Once this is done, you can go back to Windows Update, and if you see retry option, you can hit retry and then try to install the update once again. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Now over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5121003, or the other update which you are unable to install. Click on search, check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command. Check your Windows version. In my case, it's version 25H2. And then open Windows settings, go to system and then scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system, x64 based processor. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 based system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Now click on download and then you have to click on the update, that is KB5121003. Click on it and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you click on this file and then follow the on-screen instruction to install this update manually, and then you have to restart your PC, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down. Over here you can see recovery option, click on it. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take a long time. Once this is done, log into the computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. Open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down. Here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then run this exe file. All the links are provided in the video description. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default, Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next. Select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop. Click on save. Let the download complete. Once the download is complete, now this process will take some time. Once done, click on finish over here. Go to desktop. Let this close automatically first. It will take a couple of seconds or maybe a minute to close. Once closed, go to desktop. Make a double click on Windows ISO file. Make a double click on setup file. Click on yes to allow. Click on next and then click on accept over here. Here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app would be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer. So make sure this is checked and then hit install. After the installation, log into the computer and then update your Windows 11. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install these updates successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.